Welcome to our video, Brand Guide for Global Amazon Selling Partners with step-by-step brand transfer guidance. In this video, we'll explore how to transfer your brand to your new store, the benefits that come along, the brand protection tools at your disposal, and the exciting incentives that await you. Let's dive in. Amazon Brand Registry is a program designed by Amazon to help brand owners protect their registered trademarks and create an accurate and trusted experience for customers. With Brand Registry, you have a powerful toolkit at your disposal. You can safeguard your intellectual property, engage with millions of customers, target high-intent shoppers, and make data-driven decisions for your brand's success. If you are a brand owner in your home store, you can transfer your brand registry to the store you want to start selling in. But how? Let me walk you through the steps you need to follow. Please log in to your new Store Seller Central account. Go to Settings, click on Account Info, then Merchant Token. Copy-paste your merchant token, then log in to your existing Brand Registry account from the primary Brand Registry login or Seller Central. Navigate to Brand Registry Support, update your brand profile, and fix related issues to user roles. Once finished, you will be directed to fill out a template. Please fill out the template with the following details. Please add merchant token to your brand registry account for benefits of A+ content, brand stores, and Vine. Please be aware, brand registry accounts are internal to the registered brand owners and not resellers or authorized distributors. Then, enter the primary user email address used to register the new Seller Central account that you are wanting to give permissions to. Enter the brands you want the account associated with, which is case sensitive, which means that distinctions matter between capital and small letters. Your application will be sent to Brand Registry Seller Support for review, and they will confirm its success or request more information if necessary. Don't hesitate to reach out to Brand Registry Support whenever you need a helping hand in navigating your brand's journey on Amazon. Your success is our priority, and we're here to support you every step of the way. Once you are done transferring your brand and start selling on your new store, you can focus on growing your brand. Amazon provides you with an exclusive set of tools designed to help enhance conversion rates, boost discoverability, and foster customer engagement. Moreover, Amazon equips you with valuable data through tools such as Amazon Brand Analytics, empowering you to make data-driven strategic decisions. For further details on Amazon Brand Growth Tools, please visit brandservices.amazon.com/grow-brand. While we've discussed the fundamentals of brand growth, it's equally important to address brand protection. Protecting your brand in all stores is crucial. As you explore your new store, Amazon equips you with essential tools and programs like Transparency, which is a product serialization service that helps identify individual units and proactively prevents counterfeits from reaching customers. Project Zero, which combines Amazon's advanced technology, machine learning, and innovation with the sophisticated knowledge that brands have of their own intellectual property on how to best detect counterfeits. IP Accelerator, which is a feature that connects brands with a network of law firms that specialize in intellectual property law and provides early access to brand registry to those brands that consequently file trademark applications. And Counterfeit Crimes Unit, which works with brands, law enforcement, and customers across the globe to stop bad actors and hold them accountable. There are more tools and mechanisms that can help you in your brand protection journey. You can find them on Amazon Brand Protection Tools. Please visit brandservices.amazon.com/protect-brand for further details. Amazon provides tools to connect you with customers and help maximize your brand awareness, just like in your home store. These tools include A+ content, which enables you to highlight your brand's unique features through detailed specifications, product comparisons, and engaging visual media like images and videos. Brand Stores, which offers an immersive platform to captivate customers by introducing them to your unique story, mission, and range of products. Vine, which helps you build awareness, trust, and boost sales of new or slow-moving products by inviting trusted reviewers in the Amazon store to post authentic customer reviews on your freely provided units. Sponsored brands, which helps boost brand recognition and connect with shoppers effectively using sponsored brands advertising. Finally, we have some exciting news for you. If you're seeking a boost for your new store, Amazon has introduced exciting new seller incentives. As a brand owner, you can unlock potential benefits as you embark on your journey in a new store. Keep in mind that these incentives may be exclusive to certain stores and certain terms and conditions apply. So be sure to explore the Seller Central New Seller Incentives pages for all the details. It's an opportunity you won't want to miss. Voila! Once you transfer your brand and use the power of our brand boosting and protection tools, you're now prepared to confidently establish your brand's path in your new store. Thank you and happy selling in the Amazon store.